butcher of Mumbai be served justice?
Well, after 4 long years, after terror struck the maximum city, killing 166 innocent people, that is the question on everyone's mind as the Supreme Court today gets set to deliver its verdict on Mohammad Ajmal Amir Kasab.
Well, the lone terrorist arrested after the Mumbai mayhem. In fact, as things stand, the apex court will decide on Kasab's plea against his conviction and death sentence in the 26/11 attacks.
25-year-old Kasab has filed an appeal to commute his sentence to life imprisonment. The verdict comes after a marathon hearing spanning over 2.5 months.
Well, Kasab has always contended that he hasn't been given a free and fair trial, saying prosecution had failed to prove the case against him.
Now, Kasab has been charged with being a part of a conspiracy to wage war against India, indulging in acts of terrorism, murder and abetting the killing of many people.
Well, let's get in senior public prosecutor Ujjwal Nikam in on Head Start. Sir, big day up ahead. What are your expectations from the Supreme Court today?
I am very optimistic and of course confident also that the death penalty awarded by the Mumbai Session Court was confirmed by Mumbai High Court, and I am confident and optimistic that the same sentence will be upheld by the Honorable Supreme Court, because we have adduced such voluminous evidence on record against Ajmal Amir Kasab that his death penalty is likely to be confirmed.
Mr. Nikam, given the background of this case, given your insights into the case as well, how you know every single detail so well, just give us a sense of how significant this verdict is today, the impact of what really happened in Mumbai, the evidence that we have here as well. How do you view this current proceedings?
This is a very unique trial in the legal history of India. I may say that even in the legal history of the world, so far as the trial against terrorists are concerned, this is a unique trial, because the terrorist Ajmal Kasab, who was caught red-handed while committing terrorist act, and after giving due opportunity to him for his defense, the court has awarded sentence to him.
But Mr. Nikam, can you also take us through the charge sheet that has been prepared in this case? A lot of obviously detailing that has gone into it as well. Just a word about the charge sheet against Kasab.
We have taken a lot of pains in marshalling the evidence before the special court, which was set up for conducting trial against Pak terrorist Ajmal Amir Kasab. We have adduced documentary evidence, eyewitness account and experts evidence also to substantiate our case.
Alright, but just take us through, what this evidence is, sir. I mean, give us a sense of how strong this case is which you have been able to prepare and how this will really hold in court.
We have established the case against Ajmal Kasab and his 9 deceased terrorists that it was a case of waging war against the government of India. Not only that, we have adduced the conversation between the attackers who had attacked Nariman House, Hotel Taj and Hotel Oberoi,
Yes.
and their handlers from Pakistan. Our agencies have intercepted the said conversation, and that conversation clearly shows that it was a pre-planned attack on the night of 26th November in Mumbai.
Mr. Nikam, you're obviously hoping that the verdict comes out in your favor. Just take us through this, a history of the case also. As far as the apex court is concerned, we've seen how long entirely this entire matter has taken. What are your expectations?
Kasab, the Mumbai Session Court has awarded death penalty to Pak terrorist Ajmal Amir Kasab, and the High Court has confirmed the said death penalty, and I am very optimistic that the said judgment will be upheld by the Honorable Supreme Court, because we have adduced such voluminous evidence before the court against Ajmal Amir Kasab, and therefore I am quite sure that the said sentence will be maintained by the Supreme Court.
It's a judgment that all of India will be keenly awaiting and looking forward to as well if it comes through the way you've prepared the case, Mr. Ujjwal Nikam, Senior Prosecutor. Appreciate you joining us this morning on Head Start, sir.